Hello everyone, welcome to my page. How is it going? Hope you are fit and fine as well as I'm pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now I'm on the way, I'm walking along this way. I have come here for only visiting and practicing purpose. That's why I have come here as well as I'm making this video for only practicing purpose. Beloved friends, today is 21st of February. Today is not only a general day as well as it's a very demandable day of Bengali nation, as well as we can say it's a pride day. 21st of February is called International Mother Language Day as well as Martyrs Day. We can say it's a remarkable day as well as we can also say it's a red letter day of Bengali nation. 21st of February, many Bengalis in 1952 sacrificed their lives for Bangla language. So that's why it's very important. This is the first nation. Those who were sacrificed their valuable life against Pakistan. So Alhamdulillah, we are really pride nation. We are really brave nation in the whole world. So Alhamdulillah, it's very important. From here we should learn. We will never give up.